Yes. You see, I have my pineapple, my blueberry, my raspberry, my lemon, my butter. Yes. I'm going to work on that pineapple right there. As you can see, the video, it's kind of out of sorts. It looks like a picture book in motion, but this is the only way that I could do this. And I had to bring this to you as the final episode of the Cooking Solution for 2023. Yes. Of course, you know, I am the chocolate solution to all of your vanilla problems. Yes. You can see right here, I'm chopping that lemon right there. I de-seeded it. And now I'm chopping those pineapple chunks and adding raspberries and blueberries to that compact Ninja blender. And I do have a layer of peanuts on top of there. And I do have milk poured into the bottom of the container. Yes. Now adding a couple of more berries. Getting that top secured, giving it a nice shake. And it is being ground up into a fine, thick, tasty liquid right now. Yes. I hope you all are doing well. As you can see right there, you can see the turnout. You can see the beautiful hue of purple that it gave me. Okay, now we're getting that butter into that skillet. We're getting our thick, tasty, oh, so tasty. It's a little bitter though. It's a little bitter. But oh, tasty liquid right there. And what we're doing right now is pretty much getting it cooked up into a gel. You can see right here, I have cream cheese, added that to the milk. I think I will be pouring that into the skillet as well. Yes. Getting that liquid, hot liquid poured into that thermal cup. Get it put into the fridge. And now it's time to start on the cheesecake itself. Yes, I got 1 pack of cream cheese. I do hope you all are doing well. Another pack of cream cheese right here. I hope this video format doesn't give anybody motion sickness out here. And I had a little bit of that. That milky goodness left. The residue from our gel that we cooked up earlier out of fruit and peanuts. So once again, pineapples, raspberries, blueberries, and peanuts. And a little bit of melted butter right there. You see, we have that iced cinnamon roll skinny syrup right there. I love those. Just gonna get that poured in right there because I wanted a little like butter, cinnamon, sugar taste to the base cheesecake. In addition to what that sweet, sticky, tasty, somewhat bitter because of the lemon. It was somewhat bitter. I do remember it was a little bitter because of the lemon, and you know, blueberries can be kind of tart. But it was still good once you got it in there with the sugar. Oh, God. So I have my batter blended up right here. I'm just giving it a stir. Tasting it right. Oh, yes. I liked it. Now it's time to get serious and get that hat on. Yes. I'm sure a lot of you that watch my channel are familiar with that particular shirt, apron, hat combo. Yes, absolutely. This is the outfit I was wearing when my photo was taken for my channel avatar. Absolutely. Absolutely. Now we've come full circle from the beginning of 2023. This is how I started off my 2023. I figure I'd save it for the very last day. Yes, we've come full circle, ladies and gentlemen. Congratulations. You've made it. You have made it to the end of this year. Hopefully, 2024 has some big things in store for us all. As you can see, I'm getting my purple marble swirls into that cheesecake. It's so beautiful. It turned out so beautiful. You wouldn't believe. By God's grace and mercy, we have all made it to the final day here of this 2023 year. Now we're going in with another cheesecake, starting on another cheesecake, and this one will be two-toned. When you take a bite, or when you cut into the cheesecake rather, the purple will be at the bottom and all of the cheesecake will be on top of it. There was a very nice transition of colors from the side of the cheesecake. Absolutely, guys. As you can see, I layered a little bit more. Hopefully these animations don't chase you away. I actually like it. It's kind of cool. It's not intentional because I sped up this video and I opted to make it a short rather than coming out with a full video. Didn't have the full video, didn't have the original, I think it was about 25 minutes video to this. So I had to go with what I had. And this is the way it turned out. I'm sure you guys didn't want to sit here 25 minutes. Watch me make a cheesecake, so. If you got them refrigerated, won't you just look at this? Look how the color transitions to the cheesecake itself from the bottom. It's beautiful. It's gorgeous. Masterful creation. We've had a lot of fun in 2023. Let's make our 2024 better. Until next time, it's been real. Happy New Year.